Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I recently got a new Erin Condren product in the mail. I received the 8x5x11, I think, deluxe monthly planner, and that is pretty much due to the fact that you guys who have those larger planners have requested that I create a kit that is fitted for that type of planner. I'm opening this off over here to the side, by the way. And so therefore, I figured I would order one of these. Oh my gosh, wow. You guys used, oh, let me show y'all this. It doesn't even fit in the frame. You guys, y'all, this planner is massive. Look at this. This is a 7x9 deluxe, 7x9 deluxe monthly, and then here is my life planner, which is the same size, and I'm used to these sizes of planners for sure. But oh my gosh, that planner is massive, like so big that I'm gonna have to, yeah, I gotta zoom out a little bit because this is so big. I am all the way zoomed out, so basically I would have to readjust my tripod and everything if I wanted this to fit. In the frame. Anyway, this planner is humongous. So what I had done is I had kind of just cut out one of the strips of washi that I created for, you know, the kit that I created. And so let me just flip you guys through before we flip through this. This is one of the kits that I created for December, and I promise you guys January's kit is going to be so much better. This is glossy. You guys have been loving premium matte, which is cool, but this is a glossy one, and this is just, like I said, I just cut out a strip that would be, you know, of a similar size, so I could share with you guys, like, what all I'm going to have to do to make this 8.5x11 work, or 8x11, let's just call it that, because I don't know the exact dimensions. So anyway, let's go ahead and flip through this, I guess, and just see how these two compare, just in general, and especially, like, as it relates to, like, budget planning as well. So this thing is humongous, and I mean huge. Like, I'm not trying to, this thing's huge. Anyway, I ordered this one. Oh my gosh, this thing is humongous. Look at this, y'all. Like, do you see this? It just feels so weird. Anyway, let's go ahead and flip it. Let's flip it. Let's flip through it. So same old here. These are both the Woven Wonder. Oh, this is dark. This is going to have like a darker color scheme because it is a colorful planner, but this one is a neutral planner. And so my real budget planner is actually colorful, so I can just show you guys like what I'm saying. This is my real budget planner. This is my fake one for, you know, putting my stickers down so I can list them in my Etsy shop. See, colorful planners will have this darker color scheme, which I think is interesting, and then the neutral ones will have like this one, which is not quite neutral. But y'all, I'm knocking everything off of the desk, but that's what is going on there. And just to share with you guys what this page looks like in the colorful, it looks like such. It just has this Woven Wonder strip across the top, and then everything else pretty much looks exactly the same, as you can see. I'm moving on to the next page. That's going to be not colorful. It's going to be black, and this is going to be colorful. That's the difference there. But yeah, that's pretty much how it works as far as the colorful planners and the neutral planners. And so let's go ahead and get caught up. See, more color up there. I cannot believe you guys use this planner and for budgeting, and I cannot believe you want me to make a kit, because my kit's already large enough and expensive enough, I feel like. And if I make one for this planner, it is going to be matte. Well, that's probably about an inch more. Okay, that's not terrible. The kit will be like double the size though, because I can't fit the stickers on the same way. But that'll be literally, oh, perfect. I can make stickers, I can make the strips about, a little over an inch longer, and we should be good to go. But yeah, look how that look how this compares to this planner. That's crazy. Anyway, let's go ahead and keep flipping through this, because this is what you guys came to see. I don't know, somebody requested that I did like a comparison video of the bigger deluxe monthly and the smaller one, and there's not really too much to compare. It looks the exact same, except this is massive. As you look how big this is. I don't you guys, I don't know if I'll be making a kit for this. Well, it's gonna be a lot of work. Look at that. That is crazy to me. Okay, so let's just flip through. Actually, can we just, I know this is all over the place. Let's just flip to January in my real budget planner, just because it's colorful and the scheme kind of matches up. So, oh, probably because this planner doesn't start in January and this one does. Maybe that's why the two asterisks are different colors, the two flags. But anyway, same color scheme pretty much. This one looks a little like darker, sort of, a little more true to color, and this one is a little off, as you can see. I'm sure you can see that slight color difference, but yeah, pretty much the same there. I've never seen one of these, so I'm just assuming it's the exact same, but we're gonna find out today, I guess. January, look how much bigger. I'm mind blown at how much bigger those are. Let me look at a Build You sticker. Okay, so one of mine fit like, so it'll fit like line to line pretty much. And then if we put it in here, I'd have to change the sizes of those too. But yeah, that's how much bigger that box is than this box. You could really do some serious planning of a whole bunch of different sorts with this planner. You could probably plan out like multiple things instead of using separate planners, because it's so big. You know, like I feel like I could put all of my Build Do stickers. Okay, like let's say I wanted to use this as my catch-all. I'm pretty sure I could put all of my Build Do stickers on all of their respective days or dates, and I could still plan out like my social media stuff. Like I could put what video I'm trying to planning to film or upload on each particular day or date, and I could probably even put like any events or anything that I would need to go to. This is so big that yeah, you could probably make that happen for sure, because this is really big. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, so we get the line pages. So with this one, you get a little extra space at the top because it's just really big. And I'm not going to sit here and count these. Technically, that's a line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 lines there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 lines there. So that's how they differ as far as how many lines you get on each page. You still get 5. The first one is at the front of it actually. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing in the smaller one. And then it looks like it just repeats itself just like it does in the smaller one. So same color scheme as you can see. March is the same color, February is the same color, April. So now this one looks a little truer, like a truer purple. Anyway, that's really not, I'm pretty sure that doesn't have, well, those don't even look the same color. Do those look the same color? Okay, well, I was saying that's probably just an ink issue and not so much like what it's really supposed to be looking like. But yeah, those don't even look the same color, so I don't know what. And then that's a different color too, so I don't really know what's going on there. But same old, April, May, June, a slightly bent tab, July, August, September, October. I can't believe y'all use this. November, and by y'all, I mean Mara. I can't believe that you use this planner. Okay, let's look at the still note pages in the back. We do have a little notes tab here. And we do get this here in the back, which you're gonna have plenty of space there. And I wanna see how the stickers look. Okay, so let's check out the sticker difference, because that should be interesting. Oh, did I get stickers? Yes, I got stickers. Okay, so you actually get more and a few more colors. So you get the 2 purples. Yeah, so you get like, let's see the differences in, I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, okay, so these are just, well, no, because that's the same color as that. This one and this one. So you get 2 additional blue colors in this particular planner as opposed to that one. I guess this is good stuff to know. Now I feel like we're getting somewhere. Let's check out the second one. Okay, same old, same old. We get 2 pages of those. So you can use those for build-do stickers and like appointment stickers and stuff as well. And then that's it. And then we have a really massive pocket. Let's see if we can fit like a regular sheet of paper in there. So I'm going to bring out one of my kits and see if that will fit in there. Oh, that will fit in there perfectly because it's the same size, 8 by 11. So you're obviously not going to get that type of stuff over here. You can fit receipts and such, but you're not going to be able to fit anything like that. But what about one of the kits that I have cut down? Let's see if one of those will fit. Ooh, perfect, Shay. I didn't do that on purpose. Like, I didn't make the kit so it would fit back here perfectly, but it does, and I'm here for it. So, well, I wouldn't leave it like this. It would actually, although I could, for the people who are, that's like 3 less steps I have to do if I leave it not cut like this. Okay, so that'll fit back there nicely. Everything's fitting nicely. Perfecto. Of course, I should have imagined this would fit because it's the same size as the planner, pretty much. Yeah. Okay, and then we still got all these little plastic things everywhere. We do have this pocket back here, for which an 8.5 by 11 type sticker, all these plastic things is not going to fit, but something like this would fit. And then, I mean, that's just pretty much the end of the planner. Again, I don't know exactly the comparison that I was supposed to be doing or whatever, but one thing I can do is I can share with you guys like this monthly bills dashboard that I have in my real planner. Let's see how it would fit, or my real budget planner. Let's see how it would fit in here if you were to use this for budgeting, just because it's really made for the smaller ones. So I mean, I guess you could put it in the middle here, maybe pop it in. I really hate putting these things in and out. There has to be like a way to do it that I just, well, I think you do it backwards like this. I was wondering, there has to be like, oh, okay, I think this is the trick. I think I read that somewhere or something. Maybe. Probably made that up. It's probably not easier. It's probably harder. And then I have nails on, so that doesn't help. Just want to get that in there. Oh, so it's not gonna, okay, so that's not gonna work. You're not gonna be able to do that, actually. So if you were thinking about this, getting this big one and pop it in dashboards, you're not gonna be able to do that, but you would be able to put it at the top, because there's this little situation here that doesn't allow for that. So you would have to put it in at the top, and then it would work fine. Okay, I can't even be bothered with doing this. I know this is a terrible review, but yeah, it will sit in there like that. But you could put it in like that. It would just have to sit at the top. I'm trying to think of anything else that I'm using in this planner that, in the smaller one, that we would have to figure out. Yeah, I don't think I'm using anything outside of this dashboard. I'm not really using anything else. So that would fit a little weird because you'd have to put it up there and you'd have all that space. But if that doesn't bother you, then that's cool. I would have liked it to be here, but I can't do that. So yeah, this is pretty much the planner. This thing is humongous. I can't even believe that this is like a thing. But yeah, this is the planner compared to this planner, and I just wanted to pop on here and do like one of the requested videos, one of the many requested videos that I get. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and it was like somewhat helpful, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.